we are doing a Jacob Sartorius call, and this is a real link. Well, yeah, a real thing. A real number that we saw, and we'll write down,
we saw
down
on
below.
Snapchat.
We called him earlier, and he answered, so, Snapchat.
It's Michaela and Anna here today, again.
And hopefully you smash that like button, and smash
sure
with
to
your
give
phones.
thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up, that's the like button. And subscribe, please. Like, once follower. Oh, it's so sad. Okay, so let's call him, and then I'll write down the link what his number is.
We're calling Jacob Sartorius right now.
God. As you can see.
What do you think? Oh my God, you're FaceTiming.
Oh. Hey, is this Jacob Sartorius? Is this Jacob Sartorius?
Yeah, what's up?
We're your biggest fans.
No way.
Hey, we're so excited to call you.
We didn't
If you're my
think
biggest fan, then would you send me some money?
you would answer because we got your number off of Snapchat.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Or the link under Instagram. Well, we love